Here's a segment of cars that has actually been actively selling in the last year or two. Kind of the large American luxury vehicles. This one's a 1976 Lincoln Continental. Big sedan. This one is in dark jade metallic with a jade cloth interior. Powered by a 460 Ford V8 underneath the hood, or Lincoln V8 I should say. Paired with a C6 automatic transmission. That 460, not known as a horsepower guru, but as far as torque, it had the torque it needed to move these cars effortlessly. Now 1976, this had to be near the pinnacle, if not the pinnacle, of the large American luxury car. You probably will never see a car this sized produced again for the American highways. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, check out the interior undersides. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And, of course, our phone number, 507-386-1726. Feel free to call us if you'd like to inquire about this car. Paint on it, a lot of it appears original. It does show it's aged some. You'll have a few spots, kind of show them where they're either faded, touched up a little bit, maybe just a tad blotchy like that. Here is a touch-up, I know, around in this corner, but still a very original looking car. Equipment on it underneath the hood, also power steering, power brakes, AC compressor is free, does spin, turns on and off. Had it blowing cool, I wouldn't necessarily, it was cold, may need to be charged, but the belt is all hooked up there, and like I said, compressor does turn on and off. Windshield wipers work fine, has had an aftermarket stereo added to it. Cloth bench seat, column shift. Interior appears to be in pretty nice shape. Seat doesn't appear to have a lot of rips or tears. A few cracks in the dash, and I want to let you know about the vinyl top. Does show its age some also. Here, up on the top, again, does show its age a little bit there. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. A little bit of flaking on the chrome on the rear bumper there, and I noticed down on the driver's side also. Car does have a little over 100,000 miles on it, so a lot of life in this one, and that 460 underneath the hood. Once again, still pictures. You want to take your time, look through them, see the interior, check out the trunk, underside. uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, that description below this video has the link that you can click on. It's going to take you right there. 507-386-1726 will be the number to call to inquire about. We'll touch up back here. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. We will fire it up too so you can hear it run. Door panels, power seat controls, power mirror, windows locks. Again, the interior appears to be a very stock. Headliner's fine in it. Just that aftermarket stereo that was added. Looks like it may have Bluetooth, or there's a microphone, it appears, on that one. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Like I said, the 460 runs smooth. See, there's no indicator lights on the dash. When I was in earlier, check the gauges. The gauges all appear to work, with the exception of the clock. There's the aftermarket stereo that's been added. Go ahead and slip around to the rear of this. I'll pop that hood wall. So nicely that door closes. One thing in the Old Lincolns, really, it's a nice fit. As far as the doors and the panels, pretty much what you would expect for a sound out of that 460 underneath the hood. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. Everything appears to be pretty much stock underneath there. Let's take a look at it. Alright, here you go. It's a 460. You can see very smooth running. Sounds good. Again, new belt on the AC compressor, it appears, and that is free. It will turn on and off as I stated earlier. Power brakes, power steering, and plenty of torque to get this car down the road. So if you're looking for a big American luxury car, kind of get into the classic car hobby, or just like cruising in these cars, here you go. 1976 Lincoln Continental. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the link down below this video in the description. Click on it, that's going to send you right to our pictures and our website. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.